Welcome back to Cars Trends. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Porsche 911, a car that continues to define the sports car segment with its blend of heritage, performance, and innovation. Let's explore what makes this latest iteration a true icon on the road. The 2025 Porsche 911 retains its timeless silhouette, characterized by its iconic sloping roofline and pronounced rear haunches. The front fascia features sleek LED headlights that seamlessly integrate into the contoured hood, while the rear is adorned with a continuous light strip connecting the LED taillights, emphasizing the car's width and stability. Optional 20-inch front and 21-inch rear alloy wheels enhance its athletic stance, and a range of vibrant color options allow for personal customization. Inside, the 911 offers a driver-centric cockpit that marries classic design elements with modern technology. High-quality materials, such as leather upholstery and brushed aluminum accents, create an atmosphere of luxury. The instrument cluster combines analog and digital displays, providing essential driving information with clarity. The center console houses a high-resolution touchscreen running Porsche's latest infotainment system, offering intuitive access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Features like dual-zone climate control, ambient lighting, and an available premium sound system ensure a comfortable and engaging driving experience. Under the rear hood, the 2025 911 offers a range of powertrains to suit different driving preferences. The Carrera models are equipped with a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged flat-six engine, delivering 379 horsepower in the base Carrera and 443 horsepower in the Carrera S. For those seeking even more performance, the GTS variants boost output to 473 horsepower. Transmission options include an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic (PDK) and a 7-speed manual, catering to both purists and those seeking convenience. The Carrera S with PDK accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, showcasing the 911's impressive performance credentials. The 2025 911 is equipped with a suite of advanced technologies aimed at enhancing both performance and safety. Porsche Active Suspension Management (PASM) comes standard, providing adaptive damping for a balance between comfort and handling. Optional features like rear axle steering and dynamic chassis control further enhance agility and stability. On the safety front, the 911 offers advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a surround view camera, providing added confidence during daily driving. Despite its performance-oriented nature, the 911 offers a degree of practicality. The front trunk, or frunk, provides 4.6 cubic feet of cargo space, suitable for small luggage or groceries. The rear seats, while compact, can be folded down to accommodate additional cargo, making it possible to carry larger items when needed. The cabin also features various storage compartments for personal belongings, enhancing its usability as a daily driver. Positioned as a luxury sports car, the 2025 911 appeals to driving enthusiasts seeking a harmonious blend of performance, heritage, and modern amenities. Its extensive range of configurations and options allows buyers to tailor the car to their specific desires, whether prioritizing track capability or everyday comfort. The 911's enduring reputation for driving excellence ensures its continued desirability among discerning motorists. In conclusion, the 2025 Porsche 911 exemplifies the brand's commitment to delivering a driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined. Its iconic design, luxurious interior, potent performance, and advanced technology make it a standout in the sports car segment. Whether carving through mountain roads or cruising along the highway, the 911 offers a connection to the road that is both engaging and rewarding. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 2025 Porsche 911, please give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us bring you the content you love, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Cars Trends for more reviews and insights into the latest automotive marvels. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.